Are you searching for something out of this world? The Designer Sound Library is an imaginative 3-CD collection of 700 unique and classic effects, including a full selection of space, fantasy ambiances, and orchestral and percussion accents. The Designer Sound Library. Everything you could ask for in special effects and science fiction, and much, much more.